Hello guys, welcome to VChem World. In this lecture, we discuss on the various problem. This problem based on the number of atom present in the unit cell or edge length, radius and distance. So first problem is when atoms are placed at the corners of all 12 edges of a cube. In this cube, 12 edges present and all 12 edges gives the 8 corner. Only 8 corner. How many atoms are present per unit cell? We know about that 8 corner present and 1 atom on the corner contribute 1/8 part of this unit cell. That way, number of atom in this unit cell is equal to place at the corners. This is a confusing point 12 is. We also consider corners. 8 corners, 8 corner and its contribution 1/8 part of the atom. So 8 cancel out gives the answer 1 atom. That way this answer is 1 atom. Next, a unit cell consists of a cube in which there are A atoms at the corners. A atoms, corners and B atoms as the face center. And A atoms are missing from 2 corners. First, only discuss A atom. A atom present on the corner. So, number of A atom in this general cube is 8. But in this, A atoms are missing from 2 corners. Number of missing atom is equal to 2. So, in this cube, really present atom is 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. Number of A atom is equal to 8 minus 2 is equal to 6 atom. On the corner, contribution of the atom 1/8 part. So, this is the 6 corner atom present and each contribution 1/8 is equal to 6/8 atom in unit cell. Then next, in each unit cell, what is the formula? And second is the face center. In cube, 6 face present and its contribution 1/2. So, number of B atom, 6 face means 6 face, its contribution 2 is equal to 3. B is equal to 3 and A is equal to 6/8. Its simple formula 3 star 2, 3/4. So, AB, A 3/4 and B 3. We can write that AB4. That way, a corner, 2 corner missing and face center gives the formula AB4. Next, a compound of X and Y crystallized in the cubic structure in which Y atom are at the corners, Y corners and X atom are at the alternate faces of the cube. Find the formula of compound. First, on the corner, 8 atom present. The number of atom at the corner, 8 corner and its contribution 1/8. So, answer 1. Y is equal to number of atom in Y. Y is equal to 1. Then second, X atoms are at the alternate faces. On the cube, alternate faces, only 2 atom present. Each face is contribution 1/2 and alternate faces only 2 atom present. So, number of atom present on alternate faces is equal to 2 and its contribution 1/2 is equal to 1. So, X is equal to 1 and Y is equal to 1 and its answer is XY. A solid has the structure in which W atoms are present at corner. of the cubic cell. W present at corner of the cubic cell. First, number of W atom in this corner means unit cell 8 corner and its contribution 8 is equal to 1. So W is equal to 1. Then next, oxygen atoms are located at the cube edge. In the unit cell 12 S is present. On the 12 edges and contribution of the each atom contribute 1 by 4 part. So number of oxygen atom 12 edges and its contribution of the atom 1 by 4. So oxygen atoms gives the 3 atom. Then sodium atoms are present at cube center. On the cube center only 1. Answer is 1 because of the only one atom present, no contribution. So in the number of sodium atom is equal to 1. So W is equal to 1, oxygen 3 and sodium 1. Its formula WNaO3. Center cubic A and B atoms. A atoms occupy at the corner and B atoms occupy the face center. If one of the atoms is missing from corner, A atoms occupy corner. So number of A atoms, in general number of A atoms in 8, but missing of the 1 means 7 corner atom present and its contribution 1 by 8. This is the 7 by 8. Then B atoms occupy the face center of the unit cell. So number of B atom face center face contribution 1 by 2 and total face present in the unit cell is 6. 6 into 1 by 2 is equal to 3. Then solve A 7 by 8 and B 3. That simplest formula is A7 and B24. This is answer A7 B24. Gold crystallizing the FCC lattice. Calculate the approximate number of unit cell in 2 mg of gold. First calculate the number of atom in 2 mg of gold. First converted milligram into gram. 2 mg is equal to 2 into 10 raised to minus 3 gram. Then find out the mole. Mole is equal to given weight by atomic mass. That way find out the mole. Then mole converted into the number of atom means multiplication of the Avogadro number. Something this answer for X and multiplication Avogadro number. This given the number of atom in 2 mg of gold. Then next, gold crystallizing FCC lattice. FCC lattice, it's contain 4 atoms. Because of the on the corner contribute 8 atom and 1 by 8 gives the 1 and all the faces gives the 3. So 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. So its unit cell number of atom is 4. This answer divided by 4, it gives the number of unit cell. This type of question solved in previous lecture. Same as the next, sodium crystallized in BCC body center. In the body center cubic cell, contribution of the atom is 2 atom. Only difference between this FCC 4 atom and BCC 2 atom. Calculate the approximate number of unit cell. Same, find out the number of unit cell in 9.2 gram of sodium. In this data given in the gram, so they take same way. In this milligram, so milligram converted into first gram, then taken. CaCl crystallize in cubic structure in which Cl minus ions are at the corners and Cs plus ion occupy occupy center of the unit cell, are at the corners. If radii of CS plus and Cl minus are 1.69 and 1.81 angstrom. Calculate the edge length of unit cell. Edge length means A. Calculate A. And given A is radii. Radii CS plus is equal to 1.69 angstrom and Cl minus is equal to 1.81 angstrom. We assume this is the neighbor atom. For example, this way. This is CS plus and Cl minus. This CS plus radii 1.69 angstrom and this atom 1.81 angstrom. R, this R value and this R Cl minus. So total R plus R is equal to 2R. We write 2R is equal to 1.69 plus 1.81 is equal to 3.50 angstrom. Then calculate the edge length of unit cell. Which type of unit cell? Cubic, FCC and BCC. In this given cubic structure. In the previous lecture we remembered 2R is equal to under root 3 by 2A. So 2R value is given under root 3 by 2A is equal to 3.50. We find out that A is equal to 3 by 50 into 2 divided by root 3. This answer.